Hey there folks, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School here in St. Louis, Missouri. Nice to have you here. We love it when you come and visit us in one of our Scoop School sessions. You know who else we love? Evan Waltz from ICES, I-C-E-S, Ice Cream Equipment Specialist. Can I do it backwards? Ice Cream Equipment Specialists. What do they do? Equipment, popsicles, batch freezers, soft serve, paletas. They've got continuous freezers. The link is down below. Thank you, Evan, for your episode sponsorship. Okay, let's talk a little bit about limited time offers, or LTOs. Limited time offers are something that kind of happens, rolls through the menu pretty quickly. It creates this feeling of scarcity, meaning that it's okay for you not to have a full, robust menu. You should have a good core menu and utilize these LTO flavors, limited time offers. They could be shakes, they could be sundaes, they could be actual ice cream flavors. And what better way to do that is to feature specialist Oreos. I was down the grocery store today getting Oreos because everyone goes through a whole bunch of Oreos. But I did notice blueberry pie Oreos, back by popular demand, and Selena Gomez Oreos. So we actually just did a couple of quick videos on our TikTok and Insta showing how they swirl freeze. Now you could take a limited time Oreo flavor like this and again make an Oreo shake. You can make an Oreo sundae, or even make a flavor that's based on your particular Oreo flavor, limited time offer. Not only does it give you flavor ideas, but then throw it out into your community. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Do a voting. What's your favorite specialty Oreo? There is so much to do and so much to glean just by walking down the aisle of your grocery store. Just a bit of lollygagging around. Limited time offers. I know when this is coming out, it's right in the season and you may not have time to start throwing these things into your menu because you've got people coming in already, but when it starts to slow down a little bit, that's the time to experiment. And limited time offers, particularly Oreos and Oreo flavors, are a great way. Oreo and ice cream go together like the birds and the bees, like Captain and Tennille, like the Cardinals baseball and Fred Bird. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm interested to see whether you have already done this. Have you got a favorite Oreo that you like to go through the process and develop menu items with? Leave us a comment down below. While you're down below there's a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to give you the drum. Come in nice and close. Okay, so we put a ton of content out on TikTok. We put a ton of content out on Instagram. It's different to this stuff. So their link is down below. And look, also you've got Evan and Ice Cream Equipment Specialist down there. Let us know what you think. We haven't done one of these for a while. I've got to remember where these are. This is a subscribe. This down here is a pretty cool video, and it's always under the arm. This takes you to scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next one.